How to change profile picture in Instagram. So first, when you're here in Instagram, you just simply want to tap here on your profile icon at the bottom right. And now from here, you would want to go here into edit profile button. So you want to tap here. Next is that you want to tap here on edit picture or avatar. Next, you want to go here into choose from library or import from Facebook or take a photo depending on what kind of method you would like to use to get your profile picture. In my case, I'll just choose from the library or gallery of my phone. So I'm going to choose that and tap on it. And from here, it would now open up my gallery. And from here, I could just choose the photo that I want. For example, I would want this one. So basically, I want to tap on this photo. And then from here, I could pinch the photo to zoom in or zoom out to reposition it however you'd want. And then once you're satisfied, just tap on the done button here at the top right. And then after that, just wait for it to load and it will now update your profile picture. So as you can see, it's taking a while and there it is. It has now been updated. All that's left now is to go back, and then as you can see, our profile picture is now changed.